Are you looking for the best wire garment racks? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best wire garment racks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. VIPEK V6 Wire Garment Rack with Shelves. The VIPEK V6 Wire Garment Rack with Shelves is a sturdy and durable clothing rack with a load capacity of up to 780 pounds. Its 5-tier design provides ample space for organizing clothes, accessories, bedding, shoes, and more. The single clothes hanging rod can hold up to 75 pounds of heavy clothes. It's easy to assemble and can be adjusted to 2 different styles, straight-lined or L-shaped, with a slip-sleeve locking system. What we like: strong load capacity of up to 780 pounds. 5-tier design for ample storage space. Single clothes hanging rod holds up to 75 pounds. Number 2. VIPEK V40 Wire Garment Rack. The VIPEK V40 Wire Garment Rack is a heavy-duty and multifunctional closet rack that offers ample storage space for your clothes, accessories, and shoes. Its dimensions of 76-inch LX 15.7 WX 75.6 H and load capacity of up to 900 pounds make it sturdy enough to hold even heavy winter wear, gowns, handbags, and footwear. The rack features 6 height-adjustable shelves, for detachable hanging bars, and various installation methods to fit your different storage needs. It is easy to assemble with clear instructions and an installation video. What we like: heavy-duty and multifunctional. Ample storage space. Sturdy and durable. Number 3. VIPEK V1S Wire Garment Rack with 4 tiers. The VIPEK V1S Wire Garment Rack is a heavy-duty clothes rack that offers ample space and strong bearing capacity. With 4 tiers, it can accommodate clothes, accessories, bedding, and shoes, while the single clothes hanging rod can hold up to 90 pounds of heavy clothes. Made of high-quality iron, this freestanding closet is stable, sturdy, and durable. You can use it in your bedroom, cloakroom, clothing store, laundry room, walk-in closet, etc. The height is adjustable, and it is easy to assemble. What we like: ample space for clothes, accessories, bedding, and shoes. Single clothes hanging rod can hold up to 90 pounds of heavy clothes. Strong bearing capacity up to 500 pounds, stable, sturdy, and durable. Number 4. VIPEK V2 Metal Garment Rack. The VIPEK clothing rack is designed for durability and convenience. Made from high-quality metal, it offers a sturdy structure that resists rust and is easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting use. With dimensions of 45-foot LX 16.5 WX 76.4 H, it provides easy access in various spaces like your bedroom or laundry room. Its impressive load capacity of 700 pounds allows you to store a significant amount of clothing without worrying about deformation. Plus, with 4 adjustable shelves and 3 hanging rods, you can customize the height to fit your wardrobe needs, helping you keep everything organized effortlessly. What we like: sturdy metal construction. High load capacity. Adjustable shelves and rods. Easy to clean. Number 5. VIPEK R4 Rolling Garment Rack. The VIPEK R4 Garment Rack is designed to enhance your storage solutions with its versatile features. With a solid weight capacity, it can hold up to 620 pounds when stationary, making it ideal for heavy clothing and accessories. The lockable 360 degrees wheels allow you to easily move the rack around your home, providing flexibility in organizing your space. Its adjustable shelves and hanging rods let you customize the layout, accommodating items of various sizes. Made of durable, rust-resistant materials, this rack promises stability and longevity for any room, from bedrooms to laundry areas. What we like: high weight capacity. Lockable rolling wheels. Adjustable shelves and rods. Durable and rust-resistant.